Okay, so today's question is concatenate non-zero digits and multiply by sum first. You are given an integer n, form a new integer x by concatenating all non-zero digits of n in their original order. If there are no non-zero digits, then x is equal to 0. Let sum be the sum of digits in x. Return an integer representing the value of x into sum. Okay, so I guess any very easy question, and how to solve this question is already given in the question. Okay, we have to simply concatenate all the non-zero digits of n, and we have to find the sum of digits of this number. Okay, this x basically, and simply return the product of the sum and the concatenated number x. Okay, so very simple. First of all, I will write n sum equals to 0. Okay, and then I will make a vector to store the digits of this. Okay, no, let's not make vector, make stack. Okay, because we want reverse order. Okay, so for auto, not auto, I will write while this n is greater than equals to, not equals to, just greater than 0, I will write if n% 10 equals to 0, okay, not equals to 0, okay. Then what we'll do, we'll simply uh, push it in our stack, okay. So n% 10, and we also add towards some variable, okay, because we want sum also, right? So sum plus is equals to n% 10, okay. Okay, now simply I will write n equals to 0, and then I will write for, not for, okay, while st dot size is greater than 0, okay, I will write simply n is equal to n into 10 plus st dot what, plus st dot top, okay, simple, and then st dot pop, okay, and we'll return this sum into n, okay. So I would done nothing but just according to the question. I will first find, okay, let me make you understand this code, what I have done in it. Simply I have initialized a variable sum, and I have created a stack, okay, of integer. Now I'm running a loop, okay, and in this loop it is the base condition is if n is equals to, not equals to, if n is greater than 1, and in this if n percentage 10, n percentage 10 means what, n percentage 10 means the last digit of the n, okay. If the last digit of n is not equal to 0, then I will push it in the stack, and I will also add this n% 10, basically the last digit of the n in sum, okay. And I forgot to do one thing also, that I have to write n is equals to n divided by 10, okay. By this we will remove the last digit of n, okay. And then I will again, not again, I will uh, make n is equals to 0 and equals to 0, and I will add all the elements, basically I will concatenate all the non-zero elements, non-zero digits in this n, okay, from this, okay. So I think it's completed. Let's see if our solution works here, okay. Okay, what happened? Okay, what if, okay, I didn't saw this, that we have long here, right? So make this as long, and this is also long now. Okay, so int n, right? This is what now I will write here long answer equals to 0. Okay, and here I will write answer. Okay, here also I will write answer. And after this, what I should do? Also, I should turn out this thing into long. Basically, I'm typecasting this integer into long. Okay, and in this also I will write similar thing. Okay, typecast this into long. Okay, so let's see. Okay, see, this is working now. Okay, so this is the solution of this question. Okay, I hope you all guys understood. And if you're having any doubts, any other suggestions for me, then please do comment in the comment section. And please, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, then please do subscribe. Okay, thank you.